Get It Made offers bespoke industrial manufacturing solutions with near limitless capabilities and delivered on time. Through years of experience, we've crafted our process to offer a flawless end-to-end service which is efficient, flexible, stress-free, and which assures product quality. Start by uploading your CAD files to our easy-to-use quote form and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Step 2. We fully manage your project from start to finish, ensuring high quality and reducing risk. On project completion, we ship your parts to you directly from our manufacturing partner. No time is wasted. The process is designed for efficiency. Our trusted and proven supply chain partners each have unique capabilities, such as China, with huge capacity and agility for projects that require a quick turnaround. The Czech Republic for complex parts with aerospace levels of quality assurance. The UK for collaborative R&D projects, or the US for specialist niche manufacturers. Get It Made offers a wide range of services to suit your project and its requirements, from CNC milling and machining, CNC turning and 5-axis machining, to custom extrusion, plastic molding and more. Ready to get started? Get your quote today and get it made.